Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove anything from a photo quickly with the help of AI tools. If you've ever wanted to get rid of an unwanted object or person from your photos, then this tutorial is for you. AI tools can help you remove objects easily and quickly, from simple photos to complex photos. In this guide, we will introduce you an online AI tool named snapedit to remove anything from a photo. Here you need to know before using any tool to erase objects or people from a photo. Currently, most AI tools utilize the tech of recognizing neighbor pixels to replace current ones. Therefore, it can't generate what's not exist in the picture. Thus, if the left part is covered by what you want to remove, this operation will not be perfect. Then keep this in mind and follow the steps to start removing any object from a photo. Step 1. Input snapedit in your browser to open this website. Step 2. Click Upload Image button to select a photo from your computer. Or you can directly drag and drop the image here. Step 3. Adjust the brush size and select what to remove. The more accurately you select it, the better in effect. So make sure to adjust the brush size according to your images. For easily selected parts, you can use a larger brush size. For some marginal parts, you can change the brush to a smaller size. And this web tool allows you to zoom photos for detailed parts. Step 4. Click the Remove button to start erasing the objects in photos. Step 5. Download the photo to your computer. When you are satisfied with the result, you can directly download it to your computer. Snapedit can let you download the photo maximum in 1920 by 1900 pixel for free. Generally, the edited photo will be saved in JPG. Compared with some photo editors, AI tools have some pleasant advantages. You can see the result is quite good. The operation is very simple, and you can remove anything from a photo for totally free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.